My name is Nate Bahler, and I'm the owner and lawn care specialist at Green Meadow. I started the business in 2007 at the age of 16 with my cousin Tom. I hold 2 supervisory licenses in the state of Connecticut. One is a mosquito supervisory license and the other a lawn expert. In addition to managing the business, I also lead our aeration and seed efforts. I'm part of a very close family that is made up of my dad, who ran the family farm for years, my mom, 2 brothers, sister, and our family is growing. Our family was blessed with my niece, Sadie, in 2019. I like spending time with friends and family doing things like the Rugged Maniac, Manchester Road Race, and downhill skiing and cycling. My goal for our customers is to provide them with honest solutions and timely care to keep their trust and your business